This is going to be our first STEM activity of the, I'm finna say the apocalypse, Lord Jesus, of the pandemic. This is our first STEM activity. Y'all know me, you know I'm crazy. Well, with that being said, I'd like y'all to see my little helpers. This is Kayla, this is Kenzie, and yes, they are twins, and this is Morgan. My teacher, assistant teacher, she's rolling on the ground right now. She's just getting her field experience. All right, I don't know. That's Jade. Just remember her from last time. But back on this topic, we're about to do this. So right now we have STEM lab that I went to my room in the classroom and did this. Some of my classes already did this before. So we're going to start off with this one. I want to make little bubbles in it. So we're going to find that STEM lab right here and with the beakers. So the first thing we're going to do is, it says, Kenzie, can you read this first sentence for me?
Start by building the rack to hold all 6 test tubes. Slide the blue pieces into the yellow end pieces as shown in the picture.
Great job, love. Great job. So now we're about to build this test tube. You want to build a test tube? She just said what you're going to do is slide this. You're going to start by doing this. Sliding this in. Now what you doing next? Am I even doing this right? Hold on. Right here. Okay. Now slide this in. We're building this test tube now. Now, I'm going to put this on here because we need to fix this. Okay. Kenzie, can you read what's next? What we're about to do now?
Arrange the test tubes in the rack with the empty ones on the left and the test tubes filled with the clear liquid on the right. The liquid is vegetable oil and you'll use it in experiment number 2.
Okay, awesome. Okay, she said arrange it from left to right, right? Did you say from left to right? Ooh, I'm about to drop it. Left. So the first tube is going to be what? Okay, left and to arrange the test tubes in the rack with empty ones on the left. Oh, the empty ones on the left. Okay, we're going to put the empty ones right here. And the ones right here, right here. Okay, you'll notice that the first 3 on the left are empty. They just said that. And these 3 right here has vegetable oil in it. You're going to understand why in a minute. And they said we're going to do experiment number 2. Lab number 2. So what does it say right here? Number 3?
Fill the beaker up to 250 milliliter mark. Milliliter stands for ML stands for milliliters with room temperature water from the faucet.
Great job, my love. And y'all, what grade you in?
3rd.
She's in 3rd grade, y'all. That's my baby right there. Come on now. So, with this being said, you're going to fill this to, you said 200 and what? 50 milliliters. So, look at this. 250 milliliters right here. You're going to fill it up until you see 250. Morgan, I'm going to get you in a minute, baby. Okay. Okay, what's the last thing you're going to do?
Last but not least, put on your safety glasses. All good scientists wear safety glasses whenever they conduct experiments.
I do apologize, y'all, because my safety goggles are in the classroom. So the smallest one out here is going to put on the safety goggles because I'm going to have her drop the stuff where she needs to be at. So she's going to be the one that protected. I'm sorry, y'all just going to have to be destroyed with me. We're going to all die together. Morgan, put this on. Morgan. Can you see Morgan? Can you put it on the right? Because I ain't putting it on the right. Okay, we're going to put it under your head again. Okay. Okay, girlie, can you see? There ain't no protection, bro. We're going to pretend it is. Okay, so now that we said lab, we're going to do lab number 2. We're going to do number 2. Don't touch anything. Remember, y'all, when we're doing the lab, you don't touch anything until the teacher tells you to, right? You don't put your hand in your face. You don't eat anything while you're in the lab. You don't dispose of anything improperly. You wear protective equipment, although we don't have the protective equipment, but this is something simple. But don't touch anything until the teacher tells you to. Got it? Great job. Huh? You scared? Okay, so let's see what we're about to do. Experiment number 2. I took it out. It said, carefully open one of the test tubes from your kit that contains the clearest liquids. Don't worry, it's not dangerous. It's just vegetable oil. Just be careful not to spill it. Place the open test tube in the rack. Open test tube, babe. One of them. Open one of them. Don't waste it. You got it? Y'all saw her struggling. Why y'all ain't help?
Because you are trying to do.
Give me the top. You open one? You open one. Don't waste. Now, what's in these test tubes?
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is what you do what with?
Cook.
Cook with, yay. But we're not going to cook with it today. We're about to do something else with it, and we're going to have fun. So, it says, once you place the open test tube in the rack, use your beaker to add water to the test tube filled with oil. Be careful not to overfill it. Leave just a little room at the top so the mixture don't spill. Where does the water go when you add it to the oil? I want you to look at this. I'm finna pour it. I'm finna pour some of this out because it's gonna be too much. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't tell y'all where we at. I'm actually outside. I'm actually outside my house because it's a beautiful day and my husband is sleeping because he gotta go to work again. So, but hey, we're gonna be in my house right here. Beautiful day. I can't wait to go back there and go four-wheeling and go and find snakes and stuff. But hey, we're gonna take a hike one day back there. Okay, back to this. We're gonna fill it up until we get to like a little bit at the top. Okay, that's enough. We don't want to spill it. Can somebody tell me where the water went?
Into the vegetable oil.
Where's the water at?
At the bottom.
At the bottom. Why did the water go to the bottom? Why do y'all think the water went to the bottom? Shouldn't water float? I mean, what's going on? Why is the water at the bottom? I don't know.
About 2 different things.
Because it's 2 different things?
They got different ingredients.
Can they mix together? Do the oil and water mix together? Did they mix together?
No.
No? Morgan, did they mix together? Okay, they didn't mix together. So that means if they did not mix together, that is not that's a homogeneous mixture. That means homogeneous means 2 different things that can't mix together. But heterogeneous means something that goes together. So with this being said, you understand that this water sunk to the bottom. But y'all still ain't tell me why it sunk to the bottom. In this case right here, the water is actually more dense than the oil. Have you ever just poured oil on the ground and you see the little color when the oil is spilling around or whatever? Little rainbow color? So it's more dense than oil. But with that being said, I'm finna give y'all something. I'm finna show y'all what we're finna do. We are about to make a test tube lava. Test tube lava. It's really cool. It says open the package of color fish and find one of the red tablets. So I'm gonna give you a red tablet. Morgan, you have what color? Red. Don't touch. Just hold it like that. Watch what happens. Okay, I'm gonna get red. You gonna be red. You're going to be blue, and you're going to be yellow. So, with that being said, listen up. It says, open the package of the color frizzy, which I got. They're basically, I'll tell you another thing. If you don't have color frizzies, all you can do is, to make the same experiment at home, get a bottle. It can be a bottle of water like this. Get you some water, mostly filled up with vegetable oil. Put a little water in it, and you can get Alka-Seltzer tablets and put it in there, and food coloring in there. Do the exact same thing. So first we're going to see. First we're going to do. We're about to. Morgan is about to put hers in there first. and we're going to top it. And we're going to see what's going on. Oh, it said do not. I'm sorry. It said do not seal the cap, the tube just yet. I'm sorry, because I was blocking the air, y'all. Is it?
The purple's at the top?
Kenzie, put yours in. Kayla, put yours in. Now I'm letting y'all put it in at different times so y'all can see. It's going to stop. I'm not going to put the top on here yet. Don't knock it over. I'm not going to put the top on here yet because I want y'all to see what's going on. When you put the top on there, it's going to, I'm going to only put the top on there once it stops bubbling. Then we're going to do one more thing before we end this experiment. Again, if you want to know how to do this experiment at home without using this stuff, if you don't have this stuff at home, I mean if you don't have the stuff that I have, all you can get is a bottle. Water bottle. Everybody got water bottles. I'm pretty sure you got oil in the kitchen. Get some kitchen oil, vegetable oil. Ask your parents. Ask your parents. Ask your garden. Don't touch nothing in that kitchen because y'all probably eating up everything already. So ask your parent, can you make a lava lamp for them? So what you're gonna do is get a bottle, empty bottle, fill it mostly away with oil, put a little water in it, put a little food color in it. It can be like a couple of drops of food color in it, and put in an Aqua-Seltzer tablet, which I do have one of those too. You can get an Aqua-Seltzer tablet somewhere. I'm pretty sure somebody got it in the house. It actually helps with gas. So I'm pretty sure y'all got it somewhere in the house. So you can get an Aqua-Seltzer tablet. So with that being said, let me go on to this one. The first one looked like it has stopped. So we're going to top it up. Who's this, Morgan's? Mm-hmm. Okay, you're going to tip it. You're going to tip it little by little. What happened? I got to hold both hands so you can see the camera, so the camera can see. What happened?
The bubbles.
Tip it. What's going on? Anybody can answer?
Oh, the bubbles are floating?
The bubbles are floating? Let's see. I'm finna let you get yours because y'all can stop too. I'm gonna let you do it. Hold on. Tip it side to side, and I want you to tell me what you see. What you see?
See the bubbles? They're going back down.
They're going back down. What's this big hump right here?
This?
No, it's not big. It's not there. Look at it. Turn it upside down. This big yellow stuff coming down. These little bubbles. What is it? Why is it doing that? Can that food coloring mix with the oil? Did this tablet mix with the oil?
No.
No. It mixed with what?
Water.
The water. So everywhere you see water particles or everywhere you see color is water particles. So all these little bitty color bubbles right here, they are water particles. So watch this big old one big part of water particle right there. It's stuck together. Pretty cool, huh? One big old bob. Let me see. Okay. With that being said, I'm gonna do one more thing because tomorrow I want to see how it looks, or I might tell y'all how it looks if y'all don't get to see it. I want you to shake it as hard as you can. I mean, just shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Do it?
Yes, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, 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 shake it. You shaking it hard? Let me see. Yeah, there we go, buddy. It's all the way in there. Let's see how this is gonna turn out later on. Woo, Morgan, go ahead, girl. Can't let me see yours. There we go. Pretty colors, huh? So, what you think gonna happen? Kenzie, what do you think gonna happen?
It's gonna go back to how it was. Like, it's gonna go turn back to bubbles.
It's gonna turn back to bubbles. Do you agree with her? Why you agree with her?
Because maybe you would do it, and because that's how it was at first.
Okay. Morgan, do you agree with them? Or you just want to be out here and have fun? My Morgan will be in kindergarten next year, so yeah, she's learning early. So she's out here having fun with us. These are my little brainiacs right here. So they said, what they said is they think that after this is shaken up, it's going to go back to where it came from, like it was. That's how the original thing. Can y'all tell me one more time why y'all think it would turn back that way?
Because that's how it was at first. When you add the stuff in it.
Because that's how it was at first when I added the stuff in it?
And maybe it's just going to fall back down how it was.
Okay, maybe it's going to fall back down how it was. Great job, love. What about you?
It's going to fall back down to how it, but it's not going to have no bubbles in it.
It's not going to have no bubbles? Okay, it's going to fall back down, but it ain't going to have no bubbles in it. Why wouldn't it have bubbles in it? Because the lid's closed, because it ain't get enough oxygen. And plus, it don't have no more access to make it bubble. Great job. So, is this, I told you not too long ago about heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture. This right now, it looks like it will be a homogeneous, homogeneous mixture. I said that backwards last time, y'all, I'm sorry. The last mixture was heterogeneous. This looked like it would be a homogeneous mixture, but it's not. If you look closely, you can see little pieces of water and bubbles in here. If you look closely on it, look. If you look closely, you can still see it. It's not totally mixed. And as they said, tomorrow, within 24 hours and even longer, it's going to go slowly, the oil and the water is going to separate again. Oil and water do not mix. They are homogeneous mixtures. They do not mix. You do see the bubbles? So with that being said, y'all, that is our first STEM activity for today. And tell me what you think. Tell me what you think is going to happen with this. Tell me what you wish that I would have done with it to see what is going on. Tell me. Explain to me what you think it is. Explain to me. Give me some more heterogeneous mixtures. Give me some more homogeneous mixture. Give me some more things about the environment. Until next time, loves. I'll see you later. Say bye, y'all.
Bye.
Say bye, Jade.